Genetically engineered animals and plants.
Animals.
What are genetically engineered animals?
Genetically engineered animals is when the DNA of a particular animal is transferred into another animal.
Disadvantages of genetically engineering.
Hundreds of sheep are mutilated and murdered for GE research.
It is because sheep are treated from blood clotting disorders. When sheep get born with GE inserted in them, they become huge or are deformed, and those which are not born often die. This is Dr. Medisky.
For 10 years, I've been working on an experiment to turn a sheep into a sheep hawk. And I finally found the DNA of a hawk. This is experiment number 999. After 10 months, this sheep is going to produce a lamb, which is going to be a sheep hawk. 10 months later.
There is no shelter for the sheephawk and does not know what to eat, because hawks are carnivores while sheep are herbivores. Eventually the sheephawk died and made a whole generation to fall apart, because the sheephawk couldn't reproduce.
The technology of GE is used to create animals whose organs can be transferred into humans. But it could be very dangerous because if the animal's organs have diseases, then it could be passed on to humans.
Cloning is the main reason for genetically engineering experiments.
Genetically engineering can make natural species endanger and upset the balance of other animals.
Crops.
Disadvantages of genetically engineered crops.
GE crops could cause widespread crop failures. They could cause this by cross-pollination, as when pollen from the GE crops spread into normal plants, and if they have any fungus or disease, it could destroy the plants in the whole area. Genetically engineered food has not been tested fully and can be harmful. These products can destroy the agricultural system. Once the genes spread in the crops, they cannot be recalled.
Back to Dr. Medisky.
I've been working on this experiment for 2 years. This is a normal apple seed. These are the chemicals used to make this normal apple seed into a genetically engineered apple seed. Stand back. This is dangerous. Now, I'm going to plant the seed in the public park. In just 2 weeks, this plant seed is going to turn into a genetically engineered apple tree.
2 weeks later. Yo, you ready to eat the apple? Yeah! It's tasty.
Yes, it is.
After eating the apples, 2 people died because of the unknown disease that has not been discovered. And after months, the poison from the tree roots got spread into the trees and plants. So after it made the whole public park poisonous.
People call genetically engineered food Frankenstein food because the food that is produced from the plant is not natural, it is artificial.